Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today, I want to teach you how to assemble in the gear set for all SAVOX servo. So start from the micro, mini, standard, and low profile. Okay, this is a mini servo gear set assembling lesson. Okay, before you're doing the gear set assembling or repairing, you need to prepare the gear set grease, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, and towel and servo horn. Okay, this is the mini servo. So when doing the gear set assembling, first you put the pin. So you put these two pins on and the smallest gear in the second step gear, and then you put the output shaft in. You can see here is a decut, so you need to make sure your potentiometer and output shaft is working assembling. So to make sure the decut put inside the potentiometer, and this biggest gear you can put in first, and then the pin. Final step is this gear. Okay, you can move in here, then make sure the gear set is working. Finally, put the gear grease and close the top case. Use the servo horn to test the rotating. If there is no problem, then close the bottom case. Okay, here is a mini servo.
Does SAVOX sell the gear set?
Yes, SAVOX do sell the spare parts, the gear set, for all items. So if you need to repair your servo, you can buy the SAVOX spare parts with our local dealer or distributor.
So does the warranty cover the gearbox?
Actually, the SAVOX warranty is not cover the gearbox. Only cover that when the servo is a DOA, is a die-in arrival.
Will SAVOX sell each gear separately?
Actually, right now, the SAVOX only provide the whole set gear parts. But maybe in the future, we are doing the gear separate to sell. So we will discuss internally with our R&D, and then we will get back to all customers soon. Thank you.